Imagine being handed a paycheck and wondering, where did all my money go? That's a question I used to ask myself every month. You're not alone. Millions of people, just like you, are struggling to make sense of their finances. We've all been there, overwhelmed by bills, uncertain about investments, and clueless about saving for the future. It's time to change that. Financial literacy isn't just about managing your money. It's about unlocking your full potential and gaining the freedom to live life on your terms. Did you know that studies show around 66% of young adults struggle with basic financial skills like budgeting and saving? This highlights the urgent need for practical financial education, because when you're financially empowered, you can focus on building the life you truly want, free from stress and uncertainty. By the end of this video, you'll understand the 6 key pillars of financial intelligence, learn practical tips to improve your financial habits, and discover the secret to building lasting wealth. So, let's dive in. The first step to financial success is to understand your income and expenses. This is where budgeting comes in. Budgeting is simply a plan for how you'll spend your money. It helps you track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and save more. A simple budgeting method is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Saving is the cornerstone of financial security. It's essential to have an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. But saving isn't just about emergencies. It's also about achieving your long-term goals, like buying a house, retiring early, or starting a business. To make saving easier, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each payday. Investing is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. By investing your money, you can grow your wealth over time and outpace inflation. There are many different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. It's important to do your research and choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Remember, investing is a long-term strategy. Don't panic sell when the market is down. Stay invested and let your money grow over time. Debt can be a powerful tool or a dangerous trap. It's important to use debt wisely. If you must borrow money, make sure you understand the terms of the loan, including the interest rate and repayment period. To reduce debt, focus on paying off high-interest debt first. You can also consolidate your debt into a lower-interest loan. Risk management is about protecting your financial future. This includes having adequate insurance coverage, such as health insurance, car insurance, and home insurance. It's also important to diversify your investments to reduce risk. Now that you have a solid understanding of the 6 pillars of financial intelligence, let's put it into action. Here are some practical steps you can take today. Create a budget. Start tracking your income and expenses using free tools like Mint or YNAB, or a simple spreadsheet to easily manage and understand your finances. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account and aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Starting small, even $50 a month can make a significant difference over time. Start investing. Investing isn't just for the wealthy. Platforms like Robinhood or Vanguard let you start with as little as $10. And by beginning early, even small amounts invested in low-cost index funds can grow significantly over time. Reduce debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt. Protect your assets. Review your insurance coverage and consider additional protection, such as disability insurance. Remember, financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. By understanding the 6 pillars of financial intelligence and taking action, you can build a brighter financial future. Subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can empower people to achieve financial freedom. Until next time, happy saving, investing, and living your best financial life.